Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. I posted this Euro Yen trade setup into our Discord group. In fact, I'll go out to the 4 hour and just show you this. This was the idea was a short here, stop loss above the highs, and we're looking at these lows over here for a target, or target 2, I should say. So what prompted me to enter this was, if we go out to the daily, we've got pin bars, bearish, very strong bearish candles here. Japanese news comes out and we get this very sudden reaction in the market. Okay, the yen tanks. But what is set up here is this thin leg through here down to here. So my thinking is where we have an imbalance, the market is going to, after an impulsive move, it's going to trade back down looking for the point of origin. Wherever we look, we could generally see some kind of, after a spike, like a move back. This one was shallow, but something like that. So given we have this move here, I'm looking for a trade back down, see if we can fill this gap, and the market seeks liquidity around this level here. Okay, so that's my thinking. So let's just go down now to the 4 hour, and I kind of want to nail some levels here. It's a trend reversal. It's not a trend continuation trade. A lot of my videos I've done on trend continuation. This is different, trend reversal. I mean, this could trade in either direction. We don't know where it's going to go, but based on how I generally trade this kind of setup, I'm looking for these levels, going to mark up these levels. So we've got this accumulation range down here. We've got a distribution level through here. This strong move to the downside. This is the range from which this move originated. Market trades back into it, and now we have this level, and I'm looking for that. But given the fundamentals at the moment, with the yen tanking, I'm going to go for profits, or 2/3 of my position pretty early. So if that's our stop loss, I really am going to be looking for my first target fairly quickly. So just look left and you can see back here there's these highs here. Kind of makes sense. So we could pick up, say, these red candles prior to the bullish move. I'm going to go TP1 above this range pretty tight, and I want to close 2/3 of my position. So we're looking at the top of this range over here to close 2/3. So I'm going to call this TP1. So I'm going to take 70% or 2/3 fairly soon, and then pull stop loss down to break even or better at that point, wherever that is. Leave 1/3 of my position in to see if we get a bit of movement down in here. This target, I might kind of go more for the middle of this range here, slightly above it. But if it does pick up momentum, you could just trail the stop loss down so that you make sure you're in the money. So your stop loss could track it down like so, and then eventually it'll turn around and take you out. But if this is too tight, pullbacks can take you out quickly. So just give it a little bit of room to breathe and see how you go with this one. So that's my game plan with this trade setup. Okay, guys, with that, if you haven't already, click the link below and join us in Discord. It's free to join. And we're building a really great community in there at the moment. So, yep, with that, take care, safe trading, and see you in the next video.